So, you want to delete your YouTube channel. First, go to your channel, click Customize Channel, then go to Settings. From there, click Channel, then Advanced Settings. Scroll to the bottom and click Manage YouTube Account. On the next page, click View Advanced Settings, then select Delete Channel. A screen will appear with two options, Cancel or Review in Google Account. Click the second option. You'll now be asked to enter your Google account password, so type that in. If you have two-step verification enabled, you'll receive a notification on your phone. Tap Yes, it's me. Next, click I want to permanently delete my content. Tick both checkboxes and click Delete my content. You'll then need to type the exact spelling of your channel name, including any capital letters. YouTube requires this to make sure you don't accidentally delete your channel. This is your final chance to stop. After that, you'll see a screen that says your content is being deleted. You're now done.